Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So if this is your first time coming across this channel, here we do AI reviews, talk about tools that will help you 10x your business or your productivity. So stick around. And if you are a returning subscriber who comes to watch videos every week, I want to thank you, appreciate you because your likes and your comments and your views give me the encouragement to continue. So in this video, I'm going to show you a platform that you can use to collect international payments. Over the time, I've gotten people ask me emails, some ask me via my DM on WhatsApp and all that, asking me how I receive international payments. Because in some part of the world, especially some parts, places in Africa, PayPal and some other platforms don't really work well. So they ask me, how do I get my payment from international clients when I work with them? Because I work as a freelancer, right? So I want to show you the tool I use, the platform I use, sorry. You can also use it. Now you can use this platform to create a personal account because most of the times you need to register your company in the US or in the UK or Canada to get a company account and all that and all that. But here you can open a personal account that will have your name. Okay, so this video is straight to the point, no wasting time. I don't even want it to last more than 5 minutes, and we are out of here. Okay, so the name of the platform is Gray, like Dre. Yeah, gray like gray hair, like gray. Yeah, gray.co. So you click on the first link that you see when you type on Gray, and this is Gray. Yeah, of course, you accept all. Now, this platform works anywhere, whether you are in Africa, whether you are in any country in Africa, Ghana, Zimbabwe, anywhere in Africa, whether you are in any Arab country or Somali, anywhere. It works anywhere in the world. Okay, you can do this. You can get this. This is not for people in the US and the UK because you already have an account. Unless you want an extra account, then you can use this platform. Okay. So this is an inclusive global banking designed just for you. Receive, send, and exchange, and manage multiple currencies in one app. Opening a foreign bank account from your phone for free. Right, straight to the point. And they have trusted and on Trustpilot, they have almost 5-star rating. So I've seen on Forbes, they have been on Forbes, TechCrunch, The Guardian, TechPoint, TechCity. So this is actually a good platform because they have good recommendations, right? No limits, no bounds, go global. Okay, so if you're a freelancer, you are somebody that offers your graphic designer or stock anything you are that you offer your services to foreign clients, you need a personal account. Okay, so get a global account. The global account can be in the US, US dollars, pounds, and euros, right? So conversion rate is fair, compared to the services they offer is fair and all that. Okay, let me just show you the products. You click here, check it out. Products. You have your foreign account, currency exchange, virtual cards, like I said, then global fund transfer, like you can transfer money to anybody, you receive money from anybody. It's not like PayPal that has restrictions in a lot of places, right? So this is mostly for freelancers, digital nomads, people that work digital space. You sell something, you do something online, anything online, you're a nomad, digital nomad. So freelancers and for travelers, right? So you can easily use the app when you're traveling. You don't need to start running around looking for exchange. You just put it in your career account and you're good to go, right? So of course you can use their blog and their video tutorials, because I'm just showing you what the company is about, like, right? So you can read about us. The company was founded in 2020. Like for say 2020, it's about 5 years. It's a new company, so they are doing very well. They're a new company. They are doing very well, considering the services they offer. Here, what you do is sign up. If you already have an account, you log in. If you don't have an account, you sign up for free. When you click on sign up for free, a form will pop up where you are going to fill in your details. But if you already have an account like I do, you just log into your account. But let me show you the registration form. I'm not going to register again because I already have an account there. So yeah, they'll ask you which country do you live in. You put in the country. As you can see, all these places, you can access all these places, right? So you put in your country of residence, then you continue. Okay, let me just say Bangladesh, right? Then you continue. You put in your confirm your Bangladesh ID. Then fill in all those things. If you don't speak English, you can change it to Swahili, Portuguese, Spanish, Filipino, Indonesia. So they got you covered all around, right? So let me quickly log into my own account and show you exactly how everything performs. I only use it to take out funds and nothing else. All right, let me quickly log into my account. All right, as you can see, I'm trying to log into my own account, and I was asked to put my Google Authenticator code, because when you are opening the account, like when you're signing up for the account, you'll be asked to connect your account to an alternator app, Google Authenticator app, for security reasons, and that is very good. That so nobody can easily log into your account without your permission. So I'm just gonna put in the code, and it will log in from my authentication app. So yeah, so I have 220464 login. Okay, now we are inside the account. Okay, as you can see, I have the US account, I have a British pound account, I have an euro, and I have Nigerian account. Now I don't want to show you my account balance, that is why it's not showing. I know some of you want to see my account balance, but you don't see it, right? So this is my US account. The details is down here. Like, I'm gonna cover it, but you see the details is down here. Then the same thing with my UK account and euros and all that. So this is exactly the platform you use, and to open the account in your name, directly in your name, personal bank account. So you can use it to send to your people outside there to send you money, and you receive it directly to your account. Okay, so you can check the rates here, the current rates. You can change this language to your own personal language. If you're not an English speaking person, you can change Swahili, Portuguese, like I said before, Spanish, and all that. And you can edit some things here. Account setting, your profile, personal details. I'm not open that, so that I don't know how far this video is gonna go, so you don't get my personal details, right? Okay, so that is that. Now you can add as many accounts as you want. Get your personal EU bank account. If you want to open an EU bank account right now, you can also click here and get another bank account. As easy as that. If I click on yes, correct, they open another bank account, but I don't really need another bank account. I'm okay with these ones I have. So that is it. So there will be a link below. There will be a link below on the description of this video that you can use to sign up. Okay, you can use to sign up to the platform. This video is not a promotional video. They don't pay me for this video. I'm just doing it to help my community here, so they can easily get what they want and not get stuck when they want to receive their payments. Most of people watching me here um sell stuff online, and do some other stuff online. So with this, you don't get stuck to receive your payments. Okay, it's as easy as that. If you want to send money out, you can send it directly to your bank account, your local bank account. You can send via mobile money for people that use mobile money in their country. I think Benin Republic use mobile money, and Ghana. So you can send via Gray tag. You can send someone using Gray to Gray. You can send to Brazilian, use Brazilian reals and send instead. Okay, so if you want to convert funds, they will show you their current rate. You convert funds, and that is that. If you want to add money, click on add money. You can add money via stable coins. You can use crypto to add money to your wallet, right? Then you can also use bank transfer. Um, you can also use this one to add conversion, right? So this is a new one they just added using, they are upgrading their platform. This is a new one they just added. This one is normally the one we use. Okay. If you want to add money, just add money using your Nigerian bank account. If you're Nigerian, then you convert it to US or the pounds to use it to do what you want to do. Probably you want to buy something or something like that. But if something the US asks you for account, you send your US account for easy transaction. That's just basically why this account is here. All right, so you already have everything you're looking for, right? You have your international bank account. So do well to sign up. There will be a link in the description of this video. Please do well to use the link. it's a referral link, okay, so that I'll get a lot of commission, because this is not a professional video. I'm just giving it out here for free, giving the information for free. So do well to use the link below to sign up on the platform and start using the platform. It's free. You don't pay to sign up. It's free sign up, right? It's free. Okay, so if you have watched this video up to this time, please do share. That means you like what I do here. Please do share and subscribe. Click on the subscribe button, subscribe, like the video. It will help YouTube algorithm to show it to more people. Then you drop a comment. You have a question, you have something you want to ask me about freelancing, about digital skills, about business or stuff like that, or any AI you want me to try out, please drop it in the comment and I'm going to reply the comment. I reply comments, all right? I reply comment myself. So see you in my next video and have a nice day. Ciao.